The ultherapy combined with Profhilo, because ultherapy works very deep, and Profhilo, we need to hydrate after ultherapy, the treatment. Because when we provide the Profhilo treatment, deep hydration, what happens? Your natural stimulation of the collagen and elastin gives the starting to build up new fibers of the collagen and elastin, and you're gonna have a lifting process, natural lifting process after the treatment. It really works beautifully. It gives reversing the aging process, and you look naturally lifted, with naturally young, it's you, it's your face impression, everything is you, but you look much younger.